Much as I get to travel for hunting and all the people I meet all around these different hunting camps, it's so hard for them to get a gun that's turnkey.
Right.
You know, everybody wants an Alamo and they want to have it, but they don't always have the means or the ability to get it done. So now we have it. Tell me about what we're doing right here.
So that you just nailed exactly what the idea behind this rifle was. We get questions all the time from customers. Other vendors are like, why aren't you guys doing this? Why aren't you doing the all-in-one package? And I think our reservation in doing that in the past has been, we want that to be dependable across the board when somebody picks it up. And there's so much of that relies on personal data gathering, the setup of the rifle. You just want it to be able to follow a person as they go through different hunt environments. Like our big thing is, we're not huge fans of custom turrets on scopes. They just don't follow you where you need to go. Your best guess is your best guess, but like yesterday, for instance, I was looking at my Kestrel here at 500 feet elevation. I had a 3,500 foot DA yesterday. I think I sent you a picture of it. It's like, man, I mean, that's a huge miss. And you can't account for that with kind of pre-made turret systems. So we decided we'd build something that had the data that followed the gun. So that's where this was born. Basically, we call it our Expedition Package. You take one of our 3 premium products, which would be, it's going to be the Altitude, the Javelina, if you like steel barrels, or it's going to be our Apex Hunter 3.0 that's coming out in a couple weeks. We use that for the base. We pair it with a good quality optic that we've proven. I actually put these guns together myself. I do tracking testing on the scopes. They're sending Night Force rings. It's going to be an NX8 scope, probably depending on the customer preference, either a 4x32 or a 2x20, depending on what the customer wants. And you know, the other challenge was getting the other parts and pieces that go with these kits to give somebody what they need in, you know, changing environments all the time. So we kind of come up with this system. We've got an Armageddon gear sling, because I feel like that's one of the best slings on the market. It's comfortable carry. You can use it to shoot supported if you want to. We went with the Hatch Out West bipod. We looked at several bipods. This one seemed to fit the bill. It's quick and easy to adjust. It's fairly lightweight. It comes on and off the gun really quick. So if you don't need it, you can carry it in your pack. If you do need it, it gives you up to 27 to 30 inches of overall height. So one of the problems we've seen in the past too, trying to run bipods on a hunt, you know, is the ones you want to shoot the most are the shorter ones because they're easier to shoot.
Right,
but invariably you get where you're going. The grass is high, sagebrush is a big problem. So this kind of gives you a solution to get above that and still get low enough, like this one's set up right now, to shoot prone if you want to in a pretty steady position. You know, so that's kind of the basis of the gun. I think the thing that makes us different is we're proving these out long before the customer ever gets them. So, you know, we have 3 different tier packages. One of them, the first package 1, comes with pretty much everything you see here except the Kestrel. What I do provide is a comprehensive data breakdown. I will lot test the ammo. It's sighted in, proven with the gun. I find the BC on it, and basically give you everything you need to plug into whatever ballistic solver you want. You know, so that's, you know, some guys like AB on a phone. Some guys want to run a Kestrel. There's multiple platforms out there. As long as you have that base data that follows that gun into your ballistic solver, you're good to go. So, you know, our tier 1, we call our tier 1 package, basically comes with the rifle, the scope, the bipod, the sling, and a case like you see behind us here.
And that's a fly case. They can fly with that.
Correct,
that's what's
correct.
amazing.
Yeah,
about
absolutely.
It. Yeah.
I want it to be ready to go anywhere in the world you want to go.
And when you get there, all your stuff's got
all
a
your
spot
stuff's
in there.
right there.
Yeah.
It does come with ammo that's already kind of matched to the gun. Now that's going to run out at some point, and you'll have to do something else, but it gets you started. So that's tier 1 basically. Tier 2 is all of that stuff plus a Kestrel, which I like the tier 2 package. It's not much more money, but I load that data in the Kestrel for you, and then that's following you around constantly, right? It's taking atmospherics wherever you're at. It keeps up with changing conditions, which that's probably the best solution. Most guys are probably gonna have a Kestrel or something similar already, so we just kind of offer this for the guys that don't. Get it all in one package, and it's already preloaded for you. Tier 3 is all of that same stuff, but custom loaded ammo. You know, so that's going to be, it's going to give you a lot more options right there. You're going to get to pick the bullet you want. You know, right now we're limiting tier 1 and tier 2 to the best factory ammo we can find. And you get what you get. You know, this last one we tested on this rifle, it was sub half minute. I mean, it was really good stuff, and that's good for 90% of what you want to do. If a guy really wants to chase it down the rabbit hole, we're all about that, and we will do custom load development, and that's just kind of on a contract basis depending on what they want to use and how much they need. So that's kind of the driving force behind creating this package. We're excited. It's something we've never done because we were, like I said, if we couldn't do it the way we wanted to do it, I didn't want to do it, you know.
Right.
This, I feel like when it goes out the door, I have total confidence in.